Welcome to your quick guide on how your customers and employees can raise and track support tickets using Desk365. Whether you've got a technical issue, a request, or just need some help, there are multiple easy ways for customers to reach your support team. With Desk365, you can raise tickets through email, a support portal, Microsoft Teams, web forms, or even the website's help widget. Let's walk through how it all works. Let's say you're a new employee and you need a laptop set up. All you have to do is head over to the support portal and open the new employee request form. Fill out a few details like your name, what you need, and assign it to the right department, like IT in this case. You can even choose to share the ticket with your manager or team lead, so they're kept in the loop. Super simple. But hey, not every issue needs a ticket. If you're just looking for answers, the knowledge base is your go-to. The most commonly viewed articles show up right on the home screen, so you can find them fast. Want to explore more? Just click on the KB tab, browse by category, pick a folder, and open the article you need. Still can't find what you're looking for? Use the search bar to quickly look up keywords. It saves you time from scrolling through everything. The best part? You can do all of this without even logging in. You'll also see any important company announcements pop up right at the top of the portal, so you never miss anything urgent. Now, if you do choose to sign in, it's super easy with Azure AD. You'll get access to your personal ticket dashboard. Here, you'll see the number of tickets you've raised and their statuses, whether they're open, pending, resolved, or closed. You can click into each one to view details, respond, or follow up if needed. You can also search through your tickets, sort them by status or date, and if you ever need to keep a record or send a report, you can export them too, either all tickets, just your own, or even tickets shared with you. Oh, and there are quick links to visit Google or your company website too. Handy, right?
Now, let's say you're chatting with someone from the support team on Microsoft Teams, and your chat turns into a support request. No need to switch tabs or fill in the whole ticket form again. Just right-click on that chat message, hit Create Ticket in Support Bot, and a form will open up right inside Teams. You can add attachments, add someone to collaborate on the ticket using Share To, and click Create. Done. The Support Bot in Teams also lets you create tickets, check ticket statuses, get real-time updates, reply to your tickets, and even rate the support you received. Plus, you can open the full support portal from inside Teams if you ever need to. Prefer email? No worries. Just send a message to your company's official support email ID, and it automatically gets turned into a ticket. You'll get a reply with a link to view and track your ticket anytime. Easy. You can also raise tickets directly from the web form or help widget on your company website. Just type in your request and hit submit. To sum it up, you've got multiple ways to get help: support portal, Teams, email, web form, or widget. You can raise tickets, track them, search, sort, export, and even help yourself with the knowledge base. Everything is built to make your support experience faster, simpler, and more transparent. No more guessing where your request is or wondering if it's been seen. With Desk365, you're always in the loop. So go ahead, try it out the next time you need support. Help is always just a click away with Desk365.